lady, I'm so... Oh. That's cool. Bastard! Come here, you dirty f***ing star!
I know who killed the kid.
I couldn't give a rat's ass. Where's my f***ing case?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm so sorry. Excuse me.
お飲み物はいかがですか?
Oh, no, thank you. We're okay.
Oh, I would love a bottle of water.
こちらでよろしいでしょうか?
You know what? Do you have anything sparkling with bubbles? That's the one. Thank you. Domo arigato.
どういたしまして?
Oh, yeah. Bro, I just remembered I gave all my money to that guy to wear my hat and glasses. Did you?
How much for the bottle of water, love?
1000円になります.
Oh, yeah. No, you're welcome. Yeah. 1,000 yen. That's 10 quid for that bottle of water, mate.
ありがとうございました.
Sure.
失礼します.
Domo arigato. Sure you want to talk this out?
Not particularly, no.
Okay.
I know who killed the kid.
Yeah, where the f*** is he then?
He's on this train.
Well, that narrows it down then, doesn't it?
You gonna get that? No! You probably ought to get that. It could be important. No! Okay, maybe it's important. Get out. Come in. Oh.
Yeah, what you want?
The white ace says to get off at next stop, holding the briefcase or he will kill everyone on that train.
Okay, yeah, I can make it, but Lerman, he's a little tied up right now.
Both of you this time, with the case, or everyone dies.
Paranoid, this lot. Don't have having a case on you, do ya?
No.
Yeah, don't think I'd reach Lerman in time anyway. You still got his phone. Do you have a gun on ya?
Don't like him.
Well, game's up, mate. For what it's worth, you seem like a right f***ing arsehole, and I'm glad you're gonna die with me.
That's nice. Ah, just curious. They even know what Lerman looks like.
Wow. You two do look like twins, huh?
Yeah, okay. We got the case, now what?
Still take the train to Kyoto Station?
Yeah. Okay, we can do that. Wonderful.
Hey! Have you opened the case?
Nah, of course not. Do you know what? I never asked for the combination. You know what I mean? Keep it safe that way.
Yeah.
So no one gets greedy.
I know. I'm sorry. I had this bad luck thing and...
Oh, is that what you call it?
Thing and
Sorry, what was that? Why do you even bother
I
trying?
was trying to sell it.
Well, I don't think they were in the market for dildos and pantyhose, were they?
But they were buying it. They were... Oh, I had them.